What is your hobby? Atisa here, and this tutorial is all about paper quilling, and I'm sure you're very excited to start your quilling projects. But before we start, let's quickly see what are the materials you'll need to start your paper quilling project. And without wasting our time, let's dive right in. Let's take a look at the materials for quilling. You will need quilling strips. These are ready-made and you'll get them in variety of size and colors. I have here with me 10mm, 7mm, 5mm and 3mm, perfect size for beginners. And of course, you can also cut your own quilling strips using any colored or plain craft paper. But the advantage of using ready-made strips is that you don't have to waste your time cutting lengths of paper for hours. You can just pick it up and start right away. We have quilling needle, or also known as quilling pen. The nib has a slit cut where you will have to insert your paper, and it acts as a support for your coil. You'll also need glue. You can use any paper glue, but I always personally use Fevicol, and fine pointed tweezers, which will allow you to reach into places where your hands can't, or it will allow you to pick up tiny coils, and having them is like having extra tiny hands. They are sharp, so be careful. And quilling molds, these come in handy for your 3D projects. Here I have quilling board. I use this board when I want to create same size coil more than one. And we have our little corrugator paper crimper to add more fun to the project. It's so simple to use. You just have to put your strips against the wheel, turn the handle, and see, there the fun begins. You'll also need a craft scissor. And that's all, guys. These are all the basic tools to get you hooked for your next new hobbies and leisure time. Thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe to What Is Your Hobby channel for more contents on paper quilling, because more exciting projects are coming up just for you. And don't forget to share, comment, and turn your notification bell on. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.